welcome back to Calixta Beauty with me again. So today's video we will be doing a one brand makeup tutorial featuring MILANI. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with their Prime Light Face Primer. And it says it's a strobing plus pore minimizing primer, and it is oil free. It really gives you a nice pearlescent glow to the skin. So moving on, we are going to use the MILANI Conceal and Perfect foundation and concealer. I've heard some really good things about this foundation. Okay, on camera it doesn't look any different than my skin tone, but in person it's a tad bit darker than my skin tone, but it's workable. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Real Techniques blender sponge. I forgot what they call this. It's their version of a beauty blender. Just picking up a bit of product and just pressing it into the skin. Next, we are using concealer. This is the Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer by MILANI. And going back in with my sponge and just blending that out. And just a little bit on the forehead as well. And down the nose. Don't have a MILANI powder, so I'm just going to use my own powder, and this is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm just going to use that under my eyes to set the concealer. And I'm using the Amore Matte Lip Creme, and I'm also going to use this lip creme as my blush.